Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lena Vega Pratera. I am from management class 2022B or MBE. Okay, let's go to my presentation. Corporate governance, comprehensive overview. Corporate governance is the system of rules, practice, and process by which a firm is direct and control. Effective governance is essential for building trust, maximizing long-term value. This presentation will cover key aspects for corporate governance and is important in today's business world. Next slide. Defining corporate governance. What is corporate governance? Corporate governance is direct and controlling, balancing stakeholder interests. OECD definition: direct and controlling. Number 1. Corporate governance encompasses the system used the direct and control companies and ensures accountability and ethical behavior. Balancing stakeholder interests. Balancing stakeholder interests, it balances the interests of various stakeholders. This includes stakeholder management, employees, and the community. OECD definition. The OECD definition is the structure for setting objective, performance monitoring, and risk mitigation. Next slide. The next slide is key principles for corporate governance. Principles of corporate governance is the fairness, accountability, transparency, and responsibility. Fairness. The fairness, accountability treatment of all shareholders. And accountability, clear rules and responsibilities. Transparency, full disclosures of financial performance. And last, responsibility. The responsibility is the ethical decision making and legal compliance. Okay. The next slide. In the next slide is core frameworks. The core frameworks is Sarbanes-Oxley X SOX, UK Corporate Governance Code, and OECD principles. Sarbanes-Oxley Act SOX use standard for financial reporting and accountability. UK Corporate Governance Code. Principles for board structure and best practice. OECD principles. International benchmark for corporate governance. The next slide is a board of director, the discipline. Board of Director, the discipline is responsibilities, composition, and communities. The number 1 is responsibility. Responsibility is strength, oversight, and risk management. Number 2, composition. Composition is a balance of skill, experience, and independence. And number 3, committees. These committees is audit, complication, and monitoring. The next slide, risk management and complications. Number 1 is identification. Number 2, mitigation, and number 3, complications. Number 1 is identify key business risks. Number 2, mitigation. Mitigation is mitigating key risks. And number 3, complications. The complications is implementing complications program. The next slide, the benefit of governance. Number 1, 20%. And number 2, 50%. And number 3, 10 and 50%. Number 1, 20% is interest investor confidence. Number 2 is 50%, change as access to capital. And number 3, 10 and 60%, improve operational efficiency. The next slide is challenge and pitfalls. With the challenge and pitfalls is against the problem, information assessmentary, and number 3, short-term and focus. Against the problem, conflict of interest. Number 2, information assessmentary, and lack of transparency. And number 3, short-term focus versus long-term value. The next slide is recent trend in corporate governance. Number 1, ESG interrogation. Number 2, stakeholder activism. And number 3, diversity and inclusion. Number 1, ESG integration. ESG integration is the focus of environmental, social, and governance factor. And number 2, stakeholder activism. The stakeholder activism is interest engagement from stakeholder. And number 3, diversity and inclusion. In the diversity and inclusion, focus on board diversity. The next slide is the future of corporate governance. The future of corporate governance with 3 number. And number 1, natural. Number 2, sustainability. And number 3, ethical leadership. And number 1, test roles. AI for risk management. Number 2, sustainability as a core business value. And number 3, ethical leadership. Ethical leadership in the importance of culture. Okay, thank you my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.